All right, let's go back, way, way back. Imagine Earth, before there were trees, oceans, air, just a huge cloud of gas and dust swirling in space. About 4.5 billion years ago, something wild happened. A nearby star exploded. That shockwave pushed all those tiny pieces of rock and dust together. It was like cosmic Play-Doh clumping up bit by bit until, bam! Our planet began to form. At first, Earth was just a fiery, spinning ball. It was so hot that rocks melted like butter and volcanoes exploded non-stop. This was no place for life, just chaos and lava everywhere. But over millions of years, things began to cool down. Rain started pouring, and I mean buckets and buckets of it, for thousands of years. That water filled up the low spots, creating the very first oceans. And get this, while all this was happening, Earth got smacked by a Mars-sized rock. Seriously. That collision was so intense it blasted a chunk off our planet that eventually became the Moon. So, yeah, the Moon is basically Earth's long-lost twin. Once things settled, something magical started to happen. Simple molecules in those oceans bumped into each other, combining in crazy ways. After a load of tries, boom! The first tiny living things sparked into existence. Fast forward a few billion years, and those tiny life forms evolved into fish, plants, dinosaurs, and eventually, us. So next time you look up at the sky or dip your toes in the ocean, remember, it all started with a wild space dust party, some epic explosions, and a whole lot of time. And that's the crazy, mind-blowing story of how Earth began.